How good does it feel to put Honda on top, and what does this make you think about for 2026?
Well, I haven't signed for any deals yet, but I mean, I'm riding really good right now, so yeah.
Coming out of the Washougal round of the Pro Motocross Championship with a 2-1 for the overall, and currently sitting second in points, only to Hayden Deegan. That guy right there, Joe Shimoda, apparently doesn't have a ride for next year, which you gotta say, if you're Honda, why? I mean, he's right now second place with 323 points, where Deegan has 368. And also in the combined SMX point standings, he's also second there. Deegan has 589 and Shimoda has 486, which you gotta say, this year for him, working through the broken fingers, broken hand, or whatever you want to call it, during the Supercross rounds, and now the showing that he's having outdoors, I just can't believe that somebody of his name, I mean, he's not a superstar, but he's a well-known name. He's been around for at least a few years now. He's proven to be consistent on the Kawasaki. He's proven to be consistent on the Honda. Like, yeah, he did have a few problems with just falling over and crashing in Supercross, but I mean, this year he's proved that I think he's earned the ride. You know, working through the broken fingers, you know, still being competitive as he was, and now outdoors, I mean, being second in the points overall for both SMX playoffs and the motocross championship, he's shown that he deserves something. And who knows where that's going to be. Whether it stays with Honda, you got to kind of say it's kind of a no improvement ride. The 450 rides for Honda are going to be locked up for forever until the Lawrences retire, or maybe Hunter leaves. But I mean, one of those rides with Jet is taken forever. So it's going to be, who knows? Does he stay in the 250 class? Does he want to stay in the 250 class? Is he getting, you know, the itch, the move up and join the 450s? I don't think that's an option yet, but it's just going to be one of those things. You stay with Honda this year. Does some other team give you a contract, an option, and where would that be? I mean, obviously, Yamaha is pretty well full. Kawasaki is pretty well full, and if you'd want to even go back to that team, and otherwise you start looking at like, okay, where do I go from there? But it's gonna be interesting to see. I mean, this off season we're gonna have a lot of people changing bikes, changing teams, moving, and it's gonna be a really fun, silly season. And as we're not there yet, we haven't heard anything about Joe Shimoda or where his plans might take him. I just a little fun little opinion based video. So that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. You think he's staying with Honda? Would you like to see him go somewhere else? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.